guys, if you've been following my autoimmune journey, you know that I have gone gluten-free to help with that, and my husband is vegan, so I'm going to show you a recipe for gluten-free and vegan crepes. Here we go. Here are all the ingredients for the crepes themselves. You can swipe up and see the full recipe, but the key player is going to be the PB2 Performance peanut protein. So this is gluten-free and vegan as well, with 20 grams of protein per 2 scoops, and that's what we're going to use.